If I try to access master-editor.com in my browser, we see an error message. When I try to access the same website after following the steps in this video, we see a real website. So what did I do to publish a real website? We will find answers to this question. And the best part is I have made this website without any coding, only with mouse clicks and typing some plain texts. Let's see how you can do this too. You need 3 things to make a website that can be accessed from anywhere in the world through the internet: a domain name, a hosting, and the website itself. A domain name is some texts which you type in the browser to access the website. For example, when you access Facebook, you type facebook.com in the browser. So facebook.com is the domain name. When you want to watch YouTube videos, you type youtube.com in the browser. So youtube.com is the domain name. Master-editor.com is my preferred domain name, and I have to buy this domain name somewhere. I will show you the domain buying process a little later. Any website you browse on the internet has its unique content. How different websites offer different content depends on the files that the website has. There are countless options to generate these files, and to make this process smooth, many built-in applications are available. In short, we can say, some files are responsible for what you see on a website. This file creation process is very easy, and I will show you as we progress through this video. The next thing you need is hosting. Hosting or web hosting is the place where you will store your website files. Hosting is actually a computer that stores your files. Like the domain name, you can also buy hosting. You may ask at this point, if hosting is about storing some files on a computer, why can't I store those files on my computer? Well, you can do that. Then you have to handle the complexity of serving those files when someone types your domain name in their browser. That is not an easy thing to do, and that's why you need to buy a hosting service. If you do not know it already, big companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft has hosting service. We will use hosting from Bluehost.com. To make a website, you have to buy the domain and hosting, and you can use a free web application to generate files for that website. I will now go through the process of making a real website, master-editor.com. I am using Bluehost for both hosting and domain name. Disclaimer: I am not any way associated with Bluehost. I am a web developer and using Bluehost out of my own preference. You can use any hosting service you like as long as it fits your needs. It is not necessary that you have to buy both domain name and hosting from the same place. You can buy or register your domain name in one place and buy hosting from another place. Bluehost offers a free domain for 1 year. Usually, it is $13 per year for domain name registration. Here you can see 2 different products. On the left is the hosting product, and on the right is the website builder product. I will use the hosting product as it offers more controls or freedom. If you use a website builder, you will be kind of tied to their system. For example, a popular website builder is Wix.com. I will be using WordPress as my website building application, and hosting offers one-click installation. WordPress is the most popular CMS on the internet, and it is possible to build from simple blog sites to complex e-commerce websites. As WordPress is the most popular CMS, help on any topic is available, and has a solid ecosystem for building any website. WordPress deals with the file creation process for your website, and soon we will see how easy it is to use. Click on Host Your Site, and you will navigate to a page with different pricing plans. If you scroll down, you will see a detailed listing of all the features of each plan. If you are completely new, you can mouse hover on the question marks, and a tooltip with some details will appear. I want only one website at this moment, so the first plan is suitable for me. If this is your first adventure in building a real website, you can also choose this plan. The prices are for a 12-month period. They also offer a 36 months or 3 years plan, and the pricing is also a bit different for 3 years term. I want to build a real website for many more years to come, so I choose 36 months, and I will get a price of $2.95 each month. Notice, this price is only for the first term. When it renews, you will be charged at the regular rate. You can see regular rates here, for me $8.99 per month after the first 3 years. Select it, and you will be on the domain selection page. If you already own a domain, you can use it here. You can also set up the hosting first and set the domain later. Keep in mind, you will get 1 year free domain when you buy hosting from Bluehost. I do not own master-editor.com, and I want to create that domain now. If you want other than a .com domain such as .org or .net, you can choose here. I want .com and click Next to check domain availability. It can be a case where your desired domain is not available. In that case, you have to choose a different domain name. My desired domain is available, and I can proceed to the next step. You have to create a Bluehost account now by providing all this information. Before giving this information, I want to verify how much I have to pay for the account. My hosting price is $106.20. In every hosting, you will get some upsell products, and when you are new, you may not need all these upsells. I will uncheck all these upsells. They may ask for confirmation, and don't worry about that. You will be able to buy this later if you need it. Our main focus is to go through and making a real website. So my total cost is shown and it matches my plan. Next is the payment information field, and I can buy through a credit card. If you need other payment options, check this link. Let's go to the top and start by giving the account information. Bluehost has the option to use Google Sign-in to create and access an account easily, and I will use that. Click on Sign in with Google and log into a Google account. You have to permit Bluehost to read a couple of information from your Google account and click Allow. My first name and last name is coming from Google. I will select my country of residence. Give address and phone number, and then proceed to the payment form. If you need to choose a different duration for your hosting, you can also do it here. I have given my credit card information here, and am now ready to create my account. Some important information about renewal is given in this box. Your plan will be renewed automatically unless you cancel. It will be renewed in the same term length, and a regular rate will be applied in renewal. Agree to Bluehost's terms of service and click Submit. Processing will start and you have to wait a little bit. After that, you will see this success message. On this page, you will also see a copy of your receipt, which products you have bought, and the prices you had paid. You see the domain name registration cost $12.99, and also a discount coupon of the same amount. You will see the expiration dates of your products, and when you will be charged next. On this success page, you will see a Create Your Account button. If you remember, I used Google Sign-in, so why another Create Account link? Well, in addition to Google Sign-in, you will be able to access Bluehost using this account. Click on that, and you will see this form. It is already set master-editor.com as the domain name, and I have to create a password. Enter the same password on both fields, and agree to the terms. When a Bluehost account is created, some process runs in the background. It may take a couple of minutes to complete that process, so patiently wait. For me, it took about 5 minutes to complete the process. In the meantime, we can do some verification work. Bluehost is asking me to verify my domain name in this mail, and I will do that now. Domain verification is a simple process, and will enable anyone to access my site from their browser. I will try to create my account password now, and it says to wait for more. I wait a couple of minutes more, and this time it is creating my account. My account is created, and I can log in using the password I just set. You can see the Sign in with Google option also here, and I will try login in with the password. After logging in, you will see the website creation wizard. This is the one-click install process that you can use to build your website. It will ask a couple of questions along the way, but you can skip these steps if you want. I will choose No Help Needed. You can choose the primary purpose of your site here. It is not super important. We'll show you some customized help messages based on what kind of site you choose. I am comfortable with building websites as I am a full-time web developer. This YouTube channel is my side project to start another stream of revenue. After all those questions, this is the place where the real website building will happen. I will choose limitless customization as I want to use WordPress to its full potential. Bluehost website builders will limit to their capabilities only. Click Get Started and keep in mind, no coding is required to run a fully functional real website with WordPress. It is a mix of personal and education types. I will go for educational. Of course, I am creating this website for myself. Name and tagline will be used to show the title of the website. You can change these things inside WordPress. For the site's tagline, I will choose to learn as much as you can the right way. The next step is to choose a design for your website. WordPress is super flexible on design, and you can change the design at any time. There are tons of free designs available called WordPress themes. Even you can choose themes from different categories. Do not sweat over design at the start as you can change at any time. I will choose the first theme, Sinatra. Now we are entering into the Bluehost dashboard. You can work with hosting and domain-related things from this dashboard. It is asking me to buy domain privacy and protection product, but I am fine without those now. From my site's link on the left, you will see all the sites you have in Bluehost. I have master-editor.com here, and let's try to access it. We are seeing a coming soon message, and the domain name we see here is a temporary domain. You may ask why it is not master-editor.com. Well, Bluehost set a coming soon message for me as I have to publish my website yet. Let's create our website content and publish the real website. In Bluehost Dashboard, under My Sites, you will see the Manage Site option. You can have multiple websites in Bluehost and each site is managed separately. Click on that and you do some tasks on the website from this page. All these tasks can also be performed from inside WordPress. To log into your WordPress site, either click on Log into WordPress or click on Manage under User. Please keep in mind, the account you created before is for accessing the Bluehost dashboard to manage your hosting-related things. This login is for the particular website login or WordPress login. For this login, we have not created a password yet. So we can log in from here and create a password inside WordPress admin. Let's log into WordPress and see how things look there. Click on any of these login links and you will be taken inside the WordPress dashboard. Here is some information on how to launch or publish your website. Before launching the site, let's quickly see how to set passwords for WordPress users. This left navigation menu has all the options to run a fully functional website. Click on Users and you will see a list of all existing WordPress users. Mouse over a user and you will see the edit link for that user. Click on Edit and you can edit the user profile here. Scroll down a bit and set a new password under Account Management. After you type in the new password, scroll to the bottom and click on Update Profile. I am not updating my profile now as I can log in from the Bluehost dashboard. I want to publish my site and this coming soon text will guide me on how to publish it. You can also see the message of coming soon being active and asking to launch your site when ready. Click on the coming soon link and you will see some steps to set up your site. Either you can go through those steps or click on Launch with confidence. Click on Launch Your Site button and your website will become public when complete. Launching started now. The site is launched now, and I can restore coming soon again if I want. To verify if your site is launched with correct settings, click on Settings, General. Here you see WordPress URL and site URL is set as the domain name. Let's find out what we will see by accessing master-editor.com. We see a Hello World message and the tagline we set has appeared here. You may ask at this point from where this Hello World content is appearing, or how you can set the content you want. You can do that through WordPress pages and posts. These are the main places in WordPress to create content for a website. Pages are for creating static pages like About Me or Contact Us, etc. Posts are for creating blog posts. Here you can see the Hello World post which is appearing on the website. To try out the WordPress interface, I will suggest watching this video. Here I have shown how you can create a free WordPress website. You have to spend nothing to get a WordPress admin interface or website. Though you will not be able to use a custom domain, you can practice WordPress for free. Back to Hello World post editing of my website. Click on Edit and you will be taken to the content editor of WordPress. It is pretty simple to use. You can edit your post title here, and you can add or edit post content below. If you explore this, you will see it is quite a rich and flexible editor supporting images and videos and many more. Adding content to a website is as easy as typing. You can also style your texts and images like any text editor. When you are done with editing, click Update. Let's reload the page to check changes are appearing here. All the changes I have done are reflected here. Let's now add a simple About Me page. You can either list all existing pages or add a new page. Creating a new page is the same as we saw in the Hello World post editing. Give a title of your page and add some content. This is the official website for my Master Editor YouTube channel. By the time you check out this website, lots of content may be changed. You can add multiple paragraphs in this content editor, and you are not limited to only texts. You can add a nice featured image from this editor. Click on the featured image and select the source from where you want to upload. I will add this vegetable picture, and it will be on the page as designed by the theme. WordPress interface is very easy to use, and you will understand most of the things by trying it out a couple of times. Feature image uploaded, and it's time to publish the page. Let's visit the website to check if we can see the About Me page. I have reloaded the site, but no sign of About Me. We can either set that page as the home page or can add a link to that page in the menu. Let's see how to set it as the home page. You can access WordPress admin dashboard directly by adding /wp-admin after the domain name. Go to Settings, Reading. You can set your home page to display recent blog posts, or you can set a static page. I will set About Me as the home page and another page for blog posts. Save changes and it will now reflect on the home page. When settings are saved, you can see a success message on top of the page. Here is the image I uploaded and below are the texts of the About Me page. If you remember, the design of the website is not the same one I had chosen. Let's fix that. From Appearance, Themes, you can select the design. During the launch, it is set 2021 theme as the active theme. Let's activate Sinatra. It is very easy to change the theme of the whole site in WordPress. I reload the site and the look and feel of the homepage are now set to the new theme. Also, the arrangement of things is different in this theme. This theme also has added a menu here, and we can see blog posts from the sample page. I can edit the sample page from the Edit Page link, and it will take me inside the WordPress admin dashboard. I can rename the sample page to Blog Posts and update. Now the changes will appear in the navigation menu. So you see how simple editing is changing things on the website. Not too technical thing is required to make a website, only need to know where to change things. The navigation menu we just saw can be changed from appearance menus. If you are interested in a detailed tutorial on this WordPress dashboard, let me know in the comment. You can log into your Bluehost dashboard from bluehost.com and access all your sites from there. I have a Patreon account and please consider being a patron, so I can make this kind of tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next.